Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Nobes, and today I am bringing you a video as to how I think the best way to invest $1,000/pounds into the crypto market is. Now I just want to start off by pointing out how many cryptocurrencies there actually are. There's a total of 5,034. Now you have to bear in mind how many there actually is and how many scam coins there actually is. I have been invested in this market for the total of 2 years now, and since then it has increased over 2,000/3,000 coins, so it just shows how many coins are being produced every single day. Just be careful. Now the first coin that I think that will make you money in 2020, it's going to be the most obvious one, but in my opinion it's the strongest one, and it's Bitcoin. Now with Bitcoin so far in January 2020, it has currently been up 22%, which is the strongest it's been since 2012. Again, very good indications. It is 55% down since its all-time high, but that does mean it is a very good buying opportunity, because if it does break its all-time high, you'll be looking at a very good profit. It has also been around since day one, which is the main key aspect in my opinion, because if it's been around since day one, it is proven time and time again how secure it is, how it's not a dead asset, how it's not going anywhere, how it's just going to be part of everyday life. It's proven time and time again how people can travel the world, how people can live, how people can do this, that and that using Bitcoin. So in my opinion, Bitcoin will be the strongest, it will be the safest reason to invest in 2020. Now the next coin that I think that will make money in 2020, it's another obvious one, but it's another strong one, and it's Ethereum. Now as you'll see later on in the video, that these are not all based off their leaderboard rankings, so it won't be a number 1 to 4. But for me, Ethereum is another strong one, purely because it's 95% down since its all-time high at 1.2k, and it is now currently trading at $160 odd, which is again a big difference in its price. It has also been around since, not as long as a Bitcoin, but it's been around just as long, you could say, and it's proven again what it can do. It doesn't need to prove it, because it's already proven it. You have its own blockchain, and you have other cryptocurrency coins that use the Ethereum blockchain to create their own. So again, Ethereum is another strong one in my opinion. Bitcoin and Ethereum looking like the strongest contenders, because they have been around and they have proven it time and time again what they can do and how they have done it. It's just a case of, will it be brought into the rest of the world? So for me, the strongest two is going to be Bitcoin and Ethereum. They are pretty obvious options, but they are the strongest options. Now the third coin that I'm going to be picking as to what I think can make you money in 2020, it's a bit of a riskier one, but in my opinion it's still a strong coin, and it's Chainlink. Now with Chainlink, I call them the PayPal of blockchain, purely because they share very similar attributes to Ethereum. Now their price, since they have come out in July 2019, it has been very solid by the looks of it so far, compared to the rest of the market that did take an 85 plus decline in the market. Now Chainlink so far, its price is currently at $2.42, which is again a good buying opportunity, considering its peak was at $3.80, I think it was, which is again good. The reason why I think it could blow up so much in price is because of the bull run / Bitcoin halving. Now this is the first time Chainlink will be experiencing a halving / a bull run. This could prove to be pretty big for its impact on its price. So Chainlink I've gone for, as its chart is very, very solid so far. It has got a lot of recognition in the news recently. It is a very solid, reliable coin by the looks of it, and I'm pretty sure governments are looking to adopt this one in a certain circumstance after the halving. Now this will be interesting on its price, because it is very, very cheap. It did come out in 2019, but this will be its first halving experience, and for me that is massive, because you don't know how much of a percentage increase or decrease this could have on its price. That is why Chainlink is a riskier one, because it could fall out like quite a lot of the other ones did, but it has kind of proven it to some extent, and it is a strong coin. So in my opinion, it is a very, very reliable coin that could make you quite a lot of money compared to the other two, because it hasn't experienced a bull run or any form of a halving yet, and this will be the first one it will experience, and it could be massive for it. So that's why I picked Chainlink. Now, one of the last coins that I'm going to be putting on this list is called Moreno. Now, Moreno is a very strong contender in my opinion, purely because it is a privacy coin. Now, this shares very similar aspects to Bitcoin, and it has been in the top 20 for a considerable amount of time, which has shown that how strong it is. In my opinion as well, privacy and smart contracts will be the future. Privacy, aka decentralized apps, decentralized websites. People want to have their privacy back, so that's why I think Moreno and Bitcoin, other coins like that, I think they'll be very strong contenders. As well as with the smart contracts, you have like Ethereum and Chainlink. I think they'll be very strong because they'll be helping the future and the economy in the future. Now, this is going to be the last coin that I'll be picking as to what I think will make you money in 2020. And again, it's another obvious one, but you want to play it safe, because if you do gamble $1,000 on any of these big coins and they haven't proven anything, you're going to lose everything. So if you wanted to play it smart, you want to go ideally any coin that's proven itself in the top 20. But you want to do your own research. Your own research of each coin is massively, massively important, because you could lose everything if you take a chance. The next coin and the final coin, it is going to be XRP. Now, with XRP, a lot of you will like it, a lot of you won't like it, but I strongly think that XRP could be, again, another strong contender, purely because it has been around for quite a while and has consistently been proven itself by going up in price and holding very well at the number 3 spot in the crypto leaderboard. It is currently down 93% from its all-time high, which again is a lot compared to most coins, but again it is a very good buying opportunity considering what they have got planned and considering how much recognition they do have by a lot of high up people and a lot of high up governments, which is again very, very important. So I think if XRP did see a good bounce from this halving, you will smash it out of the park with $3. So I again think that XRP could be another money maker, as well as the other previous ones that I showed you. Those aren't the only ones that will make you money. There are loads of others that will make you money, but here's the thing, like, you have to bear in mind, this is why I keep saying it, like, there are a lot of scam coins. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, I bought certain coins that were in the top 100, and they've now lost me money. Luckily, I only put in a couple $100 or a couple, or $100, but it's the fact that I took that risk and they still lost me money. So if I were you, if you were going to do your own research on these coins, make sure they have already proven. That's one thing that you have to bear in mind. Make sure that they have already proven it. They already have that platform built for them. Don't risk your luck and try for these up and coming coins. There are some out there, don't get me wrong, but it's just a case, the lower you go down, the more risk you take. So in my opinion, your best bet for investing in cryptocurrency in 2020 is to pick the ones that have been around since day one, or have been around the longest, and they have constantly proven themselves time and time again. You can risk it, but in my opinion, don't. This is a brand new YouTube channel, so if you guys did enjoy any of these recommendations, I will be bringing out more content in the foreseeable future. If you do like any of it, any feedback or support is massively appreciated. Thanks for watching. Peace.